In this video, you'll learn how to buy on eBay using a gift card. By following these steps, you will successfully navigate the purchasing process and apply your gift card balance at checkout. Begin by signing into your eBay account through either the website or the mobile app. Once you are signed in, locate the search bar at the screen. Enter the name or description of the item you wish to purchase. As you browse through the various listings, take the time to compare prices, shipping costs, and seller ratings to ensure you find the best deal. Carefully read the product description to understand the condition of the item and any delivery details provided by the seller. When you find the right product, tap or click on the listing to open the product page. Next, either click on the Buy It Now button or, if you prefer, add the item to your cart. After that, proceed to checkout by selecting the appropriate option. During the checkout process, you will reach a payment step where you have the opportunity to enter a gift card, coupon, or voucher code. Look for the field labeled for gift card entry. Type your gift card code carefully into this field, ensuring that there are no mistakes in the code you enter. After entering the code, the system will apply the gift card balance to your total purchase amount. Once the gift card balance is applied, take a moment to review the order summary that appears on the screen. It is important to check the shipping address to confirm it is correct, as well as the item details and the final payment amount. If the total cost of the item exceeds the amount available on your gift card, you will have the option to add another payment method to cover the remaining balance. After verifying that all information is accurate, look for the button labeled Confirm or Place Order and click it to finalize your purchase. As eBay processes the payment using your gift card balance, you will see a confirmation message indicating that your order has been successfully placed. This message confirms that the seller will begin preparing and shipping your item. Depending on the seller's processing time and your shipping selection, you will receive updates regarding your order status and estimated delivery date. And that completes the process. Thanks for following along. See you next time.